Zisade isake bakwethu iy'ncwadi 250 each book. This will add to 60 Rand for Pexi. It can get to you in a matter of 6 to 10 days. La, we talk about purity, we talk about what to look for when choosing a partner. We talk about the doctrine of siblings, where the relationship between the sexes, young people in the church, especially as South Africa, has been compromised with what you call legalism. We talk about the vows. We talk about the symbolism of the cake. We talk about yours ning izinto esikhuluma ngazo. Talk about divorce. We talk about love in the within the context of marriage, from God's perspective, as you are seeing the title, that it says God's idea for humanity, their desire for companionship. So I'm attempting to narrow or help us narrow our desire for companionship to align with God's idea for ever instituting the institution of marriage. So